Hello friends, in Agentic AI question answer interview series, we are moving to question number 71. How do you manage the prompt size in a multi-step agents? The prompt size can be managed by summarization, as mentioned, summarizing conversation, history, and intermediate steps. Selective informations only include the most relevant context and past actions in current prompt. Vector search using a vector database to retrieve only the most relevant long-term memories entries instead of the entire history. Moving to question number 72. What are the pros and cons of using a single large LLM versus multiple smaller LLMs for an agent? Single LLMs pros simple, simpler to manage, better at general reasoning. Cons expensive, high latency, can be prone to specific bias. Multiple LLMs pros can be more cost effective, can be specialized for specific tasks, more robust. Cons more complex to orchestrate, communicate, or communication overhead between models. Moving to question number 73. What is the principle of least privilege and how does it apply to agentic AI? This principle states that an entity should only have minimum access and permissions necessary to perform its job. For agents, this means only giving them access to the tools and data they need to complete their assigned task, which is critically security measure to prevent unintended or malicious actions. Moving to question number 74. How would you design an agent to be robust to unexpected inputs? A robust agent would use a validation step to check inputs before acting on them. It would also have a clear error handling strategy that allows it to gracefully fail or ask for clarification rather than attempting to execute a nonsensible or nonsensical or unsafe task. Moving to question number 75. Describe a scenario where an agent would use a code interpreter for a non-mathematical task. An agent could use code interpreter to perform complex string manipulation or data parsing. For example, if a user asks it to extract all emails addresses from this text file, the agent could write and run a Python script to perform the task, which is much more reliable than trying to do it with an LLM's raw text generation. Thank you.